Welcome students, we are going to start question number 3 of exercise 4.1 pair of straight line. Question number 1 and 2 we did in previous video. So we are going to start with question number 3. Find combined equation of pair of straight line passing through the origin and perpendicular to the line represented by these equations. So equation is 5x square minus 8xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. This is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. So ये homogeneous equation will represent pair of lines passing through the origin. उन लाइंस को परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का कंबाइंड इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है आपको. सो लेट अस सॉल्व द सेपरेट इक्वेशन. फाइंड सेपरेट इक्वेशन ऑफ these lines. See, our equation is 5x square minus 8xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. We find separate equation. It is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. So how we get separate equation? मिडिल टर्म को हमको स्प्लिट करना है. 5x square minus 5xy minus 3xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. 5x, so x minus y, here minus 3y, so again here x minus y is equal to 0. So separate equation will become x minus y into 5x minus 3y is equal to 0. So what will be the separate equation? Therefore separate equation of lines x minus y is equal to 0 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 0. Now these two separate lines, so इसका slope find करना है हमको. So slope is given by, if our equation of the line is this ax plus by is equal to 0, then its slope is given by minus a upon b. So slope of the lines. So what will be slopes? Say m1 of this line is minus 1 upon minus 1. A is 1 and b is minus 1. So minus 1 upon 1, that is 1. And slope of this line, say m2, which will be minus 5 upon minus 3, that is 5 upon 3. So these are the slopes of the line m1 and m2. Therefore slopes of perpendicular lines. Slopes of perpendicular lines. See, if two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus 1. m1 into m2. Then product of the slopes, that is m1 m2, that is equal to minus 1. तो एक का स्लोप पता है तो दूसरा नेगेटिव और रेसिप्रोकल होगा. सो इसका परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का स्लोप होगा minus 1. So slopes of perpendicular lines m1 dash will be minus 1 and m2 dash will be minus 3 upon 5. Negative and reciprocal, that is minus 3 upon 5. Now as we want to find combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin, means our required lines are passing through the origin. If our line is passing through origin, तो उसका इक्वेशन होता है y is equal to mx. Slopes are known to us. Y is equal to, so equation of lines, perpendicular lines will be y is equal to m1 dash x, that is minus 1 x. So x plus y is equal to 0. दूसरी लाइन है, मान लो दिस इज u is equal to 0. Then another line is y is equal to m2 dash. What is our m2 dash? Minus 3 upon 5 x. इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, 5y और ये 3x plus 5y is equal to 0. ये सेकेंड लाइन होती है, v is equal to 0 suppose, and their joint equation. So therefore its joint equation will be x plus y इंटू 3x प्लस 5y इज इक्वल टू 0, ये जॉइंट इक्वेशन. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे हम. सो इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई इट यू विल बी गेटिंग द इक्वेशन 3x स्क्वायर, फिर x और 5xy, इट विल बी 5xy प्लस 3xy, फिर 5y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. दैट मीन्स 3x square, this is what 8xy plus 5y square is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. This will be the joint equation of lines which are perpendicular to these lines. So this is what the given equation. Now perpendicular to these lines, perpendicular to the lines represented by this equation. So this is the joint equation of those lines. Abhi you can observe that, see the required answer is this. This is our answer, 3x square plus 8xy plus 5y square is equal to 0. So you can compare this answer with this answer. आपको समझ में आएगा कि x square और y square के कोएफिशिएंट इंटरचेंज हुए हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर और वाई स्क्वायर के कोएफिशिएंट इंटरचेंज हुए और साइन ऑफ द मिडिल टर्म दैट इज एक्स वाई टर्म इज चेंज्ड. सो इन शॉर्ट वी कैन फाइंड और वी कैन चेक योर आंसर इंटरचेंजिंग कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर एंड वाई स्क्वायर एंड चेंजिंग द साइन ऑफ मिडिल टर्म. द इक्वेशन विच यू ऑब्टेन दैट इज योर आंसर. दैट इज द कंबाइंड इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन्स passing through the origin and perpendicular to the given line. Let us attempt the next question, which is 3x square minus 4xy is equal to 0. So first of all we will find separate equation of this line. So we find separate equation of the lines. What will be the separate equation? Simply you take x common. 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. ये separate equation होगा. Now x is equal to 0 is the equation of what? It is the equation of y-axis. Listen, x is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis. Its equation is x is equal to 0. Then what is the equation of x-axis? It is y is equal to 0. Now clearly to this line is to y-axis. Which axis is perpendicular? X-axis. So its equation will be what? Y is equal to 0. So perpendicular to this line will be y is equal to 0. So perpendicular to this line will be y is equal to 0. This is our one line. Slope of this line is equal to minus a upon b, which is minus 3 upon minus 4. That is 3 by 4. Now perpendicular to this line, slope of perpendicular line is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Therefore equation of perpendicular line is equal to passing through the origin. So y is equal to mx minus 4 by 3 into x. So that means 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. Minus 4x and cross multiplication will give us 3y is equal to minus 4x. So this 4x we take in the left hand side. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 0 will be the equation. This is one line. Say u is equal to 0 or this is one another line v is equal to 0. तो उनका joint equation होगा. So joint equation will be, therefore joint equation y is equal to 0 and another line is 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. Simplify this 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. This is a joint equation of lines which are perpendicular to these lines. So you can observe that हमारा given equation क्या है, 3x square minus 4xy. y square टर्म नहीं है, so इसका मतलब y square टर्म का कोएफिशिएंट 0 है. So as we said here in previous example, x square और y square के कोएफिशिएंट क्या है, इंटरचेंज होते हैं. तो ये इंटरचेंज हो गए, यहाँ पे इंटरचेंज किया हमने, और मिडिल टर्म का साइन चेंज होता है. सो नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव होगा 4xy, सो दैट यू विल गेट द इक्वेशन 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. देखो 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. That means our answer is absolutely right. So this is the combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to this line. Question number 4. Find k if the sum of slopes of lines represented by this equation x square plus kxy minus 3y square equals to 0 is twice their product. Sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. Sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. So if our equation is this, ax square plus 2hxy by square is equal to 0. ये हमारा होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन है. सो होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन here sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 is given by this formula minus 2h upon b, or m1 into m2, that is product of the slopes, m1 m2 product slopes of the lines represented by this equation. So sum of the slopes is this, or product of the slopes is a upon b. This is formula we are using. So first of all, ये जो इक्वेशन है x square plus kxy minus 3y square is equal to 0. We compare this equation with this equation. Comparing with this equation, ax square 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So हम a is equal to, you are getting 1. Then xy coefficient is 2h. So 2h is equal to k. That is xy coefficient. Then coefficient of y square, which is b. So b is equal to minus 3. Then you find m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2. So m1 plus m2 you will get minus 2h upon b. So minus 2h upon b means what? Minus k upon b. b is equal to minus 3, which is k upon 3. Then m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b. So a upon b means a is equal to 1 and b is minus 3, which is minus 1 upon 3. What relation is given? Sum of the slopes is twice their product, twice product of the slopes. So what is given here? Given sum of the slopes means m1 plus m2, which is 2 times product of the slopes. 2 times product of the slopes. So m1 plus m2 is k upon 3. And product of the slopes minus 1 upon 3. So this 3 will get cancelled and will be getting k is equal to minus 2. So simple. Just you remember, आपको याद रखना है sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. Formula is what? Minus 2h upon b or a upon b. We are using this formula over here. Next similar question, find k if slopes of lines represented by this equation 3x square kxy minus y square is equal to 0 differ by 4. means the difference in slopes that is equal to how much 4. That is say m1 and m2 are the slopes, तो उनका difference that is m1 minus m2 क्या दिया है 4. So then we find what value of k. So given homogeneous equation क्या है 3x square kxy minus y square is equal to 0. We will compare this equation with this ax square 2hxy by square is equal to 0. So you have to remember this equation ax square 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Sum of the slopes m1 into m1 plus m2. m1 and m2 are what? Slopes of the lines represented by this equation. So m1 plus m2 क्या है? Negative, that is minus 2h upon b, और m1 into m2 is a upon b. ये रिलेशन याद रखना है आपको. Then accordingly we'll find what is a. A is equal to coefficient of x square, and coefficient of x square is equal to what? 3. 2h which is coefficient of xy which is k. B is coefficient of y square which is minus 1. Here minus 1. So a, b and h we are getting. m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h, that is minus k upon b which is minus 1 which is k, and m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b. So a is equal to, a is what? 3 upon b, b is minus 1. So our m1 into m2 is equal to minus 3. A upon b, m1 into m2, a is 3 and b is minus 1, so minus 3 it is, and m1 plus m2 is equal to k. Now what relation is given? We find k if slopes of lines represented by this equation differ by 4. Their difference is 4. What is given here? m1 minus m2, that difference is equal to 4. So difference in the slopes is 4. So we should keep in mind a minus b whole square. We have this identity, a minus b whole square is a plus b whole square minus 4ab. See, if we expand it, a square b square, and the middle term is what? 2ab. 2ab minus 4ab will be minus 2ab. Here if we expand left hand side, a square b square, and the middle term is minus 2ab. So both are same. So therefore this identity we use. m1 minus m2 whole square is equal to m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4 m1 into m2. Now m1 minus m2 दिया है आपको 4 square, m1 plus m2 we know that is equal to k, so it will be k square minus 4 m1 into m2. What is our m1 into m2? Minus 3, that will be 16 k square, and this is what? 12. So k square is equal to 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 it will be, which is 4, and k will be equals to plus minus 2, which will be our required answer. So k is equal to plus minus 2. K is required to find. Find k if slopes of one of the line represented by this equation exceeds the slope of other line by 8. Means suppose m1 is slope of one line and m2 is the slope of other line, then m2 will exceed m1 by what? 8. So here one of the line slope is, it exceeds the slope of other line by 8. See, the given equation will write kx square 4xy minus y square is equal to 0. First of all इस इक्वेशन को हम कंपेयर करेंगे विथ और इक्वेशन ax square 2hxy by square is equal to 0. Then we first of all find a, b and h. A is equal to k, which is coefficient of x square. 2h is equal to minus 4. 2h is equal to 4. And b is equal to minus 1. So a, 2h and b. On comparing this equation with that, we are getting m1 plus m2, that is sum of the slopes we find, which is given by formula minus 2h upon b, and that is equal to minus 4 upon minus 1, which is 4. Minus 2h will be this minus 4, and b is equal to already minus 1, so it is 4. So that means m1 plus m2 will be getting 4. Then m1 into m2, that is product of the slopes. So m1 into m2 is a upon b. It is given by this formula a upon b. अभी a upon b मतलब a is k upon b is minus 1, which is m1 into m2 is equal to what we are getting, minus k. A is equal to k and b is equal to minus 1. A upon b is this minus k. This is m1 plus m2. This is m1 into m2. Now what condition is given? Slope of one line exceeds the slope of other line. मतलब हम लिख सकते हैं m2 is equal to m1 plus 8 और m1 is equal to m2 plus 8. That means m1 minus m2 will be equal to 8. Will be equal to 8. So it is one and the same thing that difference of the slopes is equal to 8. And we know m1 minus m2 whole square. इसको हम एक आइडेंटिटी में लिख सकते हैं m1 minus m2 whole square is equal to m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4m1 m2. 4m1 m2. So we'll use that identity. m1 minus m2 is equal to 8. 8 square. m1 plus m2 is equal to 4 square. Then minus 4 into m1 m2. m1 m2 is equal to minus k. ये माइनस k है. So this is 64. ये 16 minus of minus will be plus 4k. That means 4k is equal to 64 minus 16, 48. Therefore 4k is equal to 48 and you will be getting k is equal to 12. So dividing by 4, so 4k is 48, so k is equal to 12 we are getting. Question 4 in this way we have completed. Question 5 हम next video में complete करेंगे. Question 5 and onwards. Press the bell icon so that you'll get next notification. Thank you for watching.